everyone, welcome to my room renovation vlog situation. I am way too impatient to wait for the last item to come, so I'm going to start today. This may have to be a two-part vlog because yeah, it do be a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna move the headboard out of the room so I can show you guys what everything looks like. And then yeah, I have curtains to change, and I could possibly change the bedding today as well. I guess we might as well once we get the headboard up. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so this is what my room looks like. We have blue curtains. I've just been working this morning, you guys, so don't mind the mess with the tab and the phone charging and everything happening. And then yeah, I really want to work on that area because it's just, you know, there's always that one chair in your room that ends up being a stack chair. That one has all the bedding on it. But yeah, this is the before. Take a good look. And you guys can see the base is back there. I tried covering it with a white sheet. Then we have two mattresses and another base down there. So yeah. Now I'm gonna take off the plastic of the headboard and figure out the headboard situation. I don't have corona, promise. Anyway, I'm just gonna go figure this out off of camera and I'll be back. I just need to basically unscrew the screws. Yeah. Hi.
That looks like a tea. That looks beautiful.
Right? I think so too.
And it matches your gray theme. The grayish theme. Because black, 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 white, black. Now more black. Black and white, black and white. Yeah.
Okay. How does it look
That looks nice.
so far? I like it. Wow! It looks so bougie. Oh, I like it. Looks nice.
Now you can't see anything on the top. Normal hair. It's wasted. And here in the morning I wake up as a puppy with my hair as ears.
Oh,
Because of my hair.
we're gonna change the bedding last because
What's this one?
thank you.
Oh, you changed the pillowcases.
What pillowcases?
These pillowcases are nice. They feel new.
Yeah, those are new pillowcases. Okay, let's do the curtains.
So, but no, we have blue.
Wait, hold on. Let's see.
How big they are.
Yeah.
In person. Oh. Those are big.
They are, eh? They should be big enough for the windows.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it one there, one here?
No, both here. Do you
Both
see how big
here.
this window is?
Oh yeah, it is. It's good.
Okay, so let's lay these out first. I haven't washed these. Am I supposed to wash them before I put them up?
I don't know.
Me either.
Well, either way, sometimes you don't wash. But if it's clothesline, I don't know what curtains. I'm not a curtain expert.
Okay. Oh, it's these easy ones. Ah, why is that one so hard to come out?
I think it's because of the last one.
Oh, it's the way it's hooked here on the corner.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals.
Right, so
Wow. It already looks nice. One step closer to success.
One down.
Success.
one to go.
One step closer to success.
How do we get this to go away? Okay. Got it.
That's nice.
Does, hey? Bobs. Okay.
Okay, time to remove that one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna leave this somewhere where it won't get in our way.
Just leave it on the floor.
Okay.
Okay. Hold me just in case. Oh, Lord Jesus. Okay, it's fine. Oh.
I'll make
Okay, put these back. Put those back here.
Oh,
Sorry, I know it's heavy.
it's kind of big.
wish it was. I mean, it makes the room dark enough considering that one is
Lighter.
Yeah.
It's nice.
It's not.
Oh,
Okay, put that on the floor.
Take this away.
Oh, I'm tired.
Is what?
I'm tired. Next is the bedding. Ow! Your head. Oh, but you did nothing. Why are you tired?
I'm just
Oh. You're just chillaxing.
Yeah. I'm draining in here.
Must be nice.
Yeah. This is still raining. Now it feels nice and fresh. Whew. Thank you, Mr. Price, for making such nice, comfortable bedding and curtains.
You tell them, girl. Wait, hold on. You must say that up close. What you said?
Thank you, Mr. Price, for making nice, comfortable bedding.
And
also,
and
hmm?
and
And curtains.
that's what she said the first time.
And also like and subscribe to this video.
Yes, please. So yeah, how long did it take us? How long do you think it took us to finish all of this? We started at what time?
About 1?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, it was about 1. Hey, it took us like an
Yeah.
hour and a half. No, we started before that.
We started about 12-ish. Yeah.
Fobs. Ooh, it looks so nice. Ooh.
This feels so comfortable.
Mm-hmm.
Just imagine chilling here for the whole weekend.
You know what? We probably should wash this bedding before we put it on.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, the Continental pillows are fine because it's not like my face has direct contact with the Continental pillows while I sleep.
Yeah, but that one is these pillows.
Mm-hmm.
And the cover,
Mm-hmm.
which you're in contact with. So I think we should wash it, and yeah, and we also need to wash that, cause you know,
Yeah, that's the bed sheet.
yeah, you're gonna lay on it.
Mm-hmm.
You need to wash it.
Yeah. So guys, this is day 1 of revamping my room. Come back on day 2 because today is Saturday the 21st of November. I don't know when what was I saying now?
About the drawers.
Oh, I don't know when the drawers from Deco Fern are gonna come. Jared is studying, which is why Jared is not on this vlog. He has exams. But I like it. Pass me my remote. I mean, hello? I mean, we're just vibing. We have some purple lights on. Vibes!
Vibes.
It's kind of cool, eh?
Yeah. It works nicely.
I agree. I still need to put extra lights on the side. I already ordered the lights from Takealot. It just might take a while to come. Hopefully it comes at the same time as the chest of drawers. But this is what the room looks like so far. We're gonna wash the sheets. And yeah, then we're gonna do all the finishing touches.
And
And in the next video, we're going to be talking about how much everything costed, the bed sheets, the headboard, the curtains, the light. Okay, the lights weren't for me like necessarily part of the situation, but I guess now it kind of is because it's giving us like a really cool vibe. But yeah, next video I'll sit down and talk to you guys all about the costing. And why are you drawing the curtain?
It looks better.
Oh, with the lights. Yeah.
Vibes.
So yeah, we're gonna do a big reveal and we're gonna let you know how much everything costed. It was not cheap. It was affordable though. It was not cheap though. Cheap and affordable is two different things. Anyway, it's time for us to go. Say bye bye to the vlog.
Bye.
Bye bye from us revampers on day 1. We'll talk to you guys in the next video,
Bye.
which is tomorrow. Bye bye.